the next 5 years, dapat reset na lahat nandito sa atin.
Hindi mo na, para makagano ka. Nanonood ka ng vlog ni Nico daw.
Ito, waterproof to boss. Pag magda-diving ka, mag-swimming ka, pwede to. Hindi mababasa yung paa mo. And then, we give you a discount on your game. So, it's for 36,500. And since sinabutan niyo ako, actually, I'm feeling generous. What's up guys? I'm coming in sa main store with brother Carl.
Hey, with brother Rico, guys. Namiss ko yun, brother, ah.
Diba? Wala pang ganun sa Jensen.
Wala.
Okay, dito maraming places sa Manila.
Ano bang bago na yan?
Maraming bago. Tara,
Ay, magbalik tayo. Prism.
7 years ago uli namin yung Greenwich. Kaya sabi ko, mali pa naman yung trip. Parang Greenwich nga tayo. Hindi mo na, para makagano ka. Nanonood ka ng vlog ni Nico daw.
Yan, kunin mo na yan, ma'am. Bigay ko na sa'yo ng 8.
Pwede ko pasukatan eh.
Sino? Ako ni Kaysa.
Maganda ang baby. Pero nakala.
Sige po.
Okay. Tayo yun, ma'am. Ano yun?
Debit card.
Gusto mo bang transfer na?
Sige po.
Kasi may ano pa eh, 4%. Sabi sa akin yun. Eh, so, ma'am yung nasa loob. Gusto mo sila kabe, ako naman.
Tawag sa'yo.
Karamin natin lang naman.
Thank you po.
Karamin natin lang naman. Pinagmalaki pa yun. Pero yun yung work. Ay,
Appreciated.
Masarap yung ATM.
thank you, mama. Thank you. Enjoy po. Enjoy.
Thank you sa...
Thank you, sir. Thank you, mama. Thank you po.
Advance tayo na dito. Ako kasi Nico. Nice to meet you, Boss Martin. Pero may other store doon ko siya. Sa amin din po yun. That's where we put the more premium items. Pretty soon ito, dapat reset. In the next 5 years, dapat reset na lahat nandito sa atin. Nakakain ka na, reset na ano, reset hotpot, reset donuts, knockout. Nakakita tayo kay Sir Martin pala ng ano, human made na t-shirt, yung gray na pocket in na may text na human made sa likod. So we sold it for 9.8. That includes the ano na terminal fee. Wala tayo sa akin.
Anong oras na lang?
Ha?
Ano pa? Mamaya na tayo.
Sa akin, anong oras na sa akin? Sa akin, ano eh. 3:15 sa akin. Actually, tingnan ko na yung ano, IG natin whether nag-buy na ni Sir. Kasi, guys, actually may kausap ko kanina. Sino order itong bodega na ano, nakaset na color green, guys. Just to prove that he's a real person and not a customer I invented. Ay, nag-buy na siya ng 35,000 pesos per order. Let me check how much we sold this. 135. The SRP for this model kasi is around 150. So, parang si Sir is also getting it from a bargain 135. At hindi lang yun. Actually, ito, Justin, si Sir Andrew, so this is a repeat customer, ordered another one today. Ito, confirm na. Nag-down payment na rin ng 10,000 both. Itong Ralph Lauren na to, so this is a jacket na color blue. Medyo windbreaker yung style because he has a trip. He's planning to go to the US. Medyo tinailer fit niya yung bibili niyang piece para perfect for his trip. So ito, 10,000 pesos. Nag-down payment na siya, sent sa GCash. These are the online transactions that we have today. Meron pa tayong mga pending online orders. So,
Usually, online talaga yung orders niyo.
actually right now, more heavy on the online orders. I think, I'm not sure what's with January, pero mas maraming tao prefer to stay at home if they're shopping at home. I think it also aligns with, people that are watching our vlogs. Kasi meron din kami Sir Brian, may binili siya. I wasn't here yet, pero nag-PM siya sa page natin. He watched our vlogs and then he's very interested to get the Golden Goose. So ito, reserve niya na to. Tingnan natin kung babalikan niya mamaya. We already have an agreement. We sold this for 36,500 guys. So this is the Golden Goose na dark gray heel top.
A few moments later.
Gusto mo na to? Okay na to, sir ka? Pero nakit mo naman, okay naman. Oo, okay, big. Malaki ng size, di ba? Malaki ng size ng BG. Okay, so yung checklist ko na ba? So there's a dust bag yan for all the Golden Boosters. Dapat may dust bag siya and dapat meron siyang password. Pag walang password, mamawali yung sarili yan. Okay, so I think you have an agreement and then we give you a discount on your game. So it's for 36,500. And since sinabutan niyo ako, actually, I'm feeling generous. I'm gonna give it for... Nabayaran niyo na ba? Okay, so let's settle for even though you're not asking for a discount. Kasi matagal na yung poster sa IG eh. And I also promised a discount for you talaga when we were talking about the red star. Kaso nabenta. So, I'm gonna give you for your discount price. Okay, 500. Thank you. Maraming salamat, Sir Brian. May good news and bad news ako. So, in terms of good news, you have size 9 available pero different color yung coffee. And then, you have 8.5 naman dun sa safari color. In terms of rarity, this is more rare. But ang edge mo dito, boss, kung gusto mo ng waterproof. So, ito kasi hindi waterproof. Ito, waterproof to, boss. Pag magda-diving ka, mag-swimming ka, pwede ito. Hindi mababasa yung paa mo. You wanna fit, boss? Baka kasi pasok naman yung 8.5. How's the fit? Masikip ba, boss? Medyo masikip. Gusto mo yung try itong 9. Tignan mo lang. Pero, this is so that you know your size lang.
Mas okay yung fit, boss. Mas okay.
Parang mas okay nga eh. Pag suot niya pa lang, no? Ramdam na natin eh. Yun, boss. If ever you're gonna place a pre-order, that's gonna be 7 to 10 days lang. Sige, boss. Message ka lang. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Sir, thank you po. Thank you, sir. Salamat po.
Thank you.
So yun guys, hinihintay natin to din si Sir Brian, may kasama siyang friend. They're interested, so they're gonna message us if they're gonna buy the FT6 Salomon. Pero, for now, hold natin yung mga reserved na Golden Goose na dark gray heel top, and we sold that. I gave a further discount kasi the last time ko pa ako sa si Sir eh. Tsaka may prinamis ako sa kanyang pair kasi nagbili, di ba? So, I wanted to compensate for that, so I sold that for 36,000 na. Bilis, ang bilis sa pagbalik nila, boss. No?
Ganda ng bayan ni ko boss na mataan ko agad eh. Ganda boss. Bagay sa lawebe yan boss.
No, papakita mo doon, boss, no? Iba yung lakad mo, boss, no? Pagpasok mo sa Lueve. Pakita ko lang, nilabas ko na yung, yung regalo ko sa'yo, boss. So, I want you to open this and I want you to check it out.
Drip check, sir.
Let's check, okay. Dito muna sa pag-din sa natin.
Okay, welcome back guys. Ako pala yung welcome. Okay, sa top ko I'm wearing Polo Ralph Lauren. Nag-iisang stock sa Osaka nung pumunta ako sa Ralph's Coffee Bro. Nung bumili ako nito, may natutunan akong isang Japanese word.
Ang Japanese word.
The Japanese word is kaguy.
Gamite.
Yamite. Hindi, alam niya naman lahat yun eh. Sabi nung staff, sabi niya kaguy. Pati yung price daw, kaguy. Kaguy. It means cool daw. So, kaguy is the word of the day. So, yun, it means cool. I bought this for 18,000. Pero,
Kaguy.
kaguy nga. Nung binili ko to, it's the only stock available sa Osaka daw. So, I don't know now, pero sana wag na. Sa bands ko, I'm wearing G, then sa shoes ko, I'm wearing O4L. Kasi syempre, RL eh.
Wait, tama kasi mini-comment sa TikTok natin what's on your wrist daw.
What's on
Pakita mo.
my wrist?
Hindi kita yung wrist mo eh.
Hindi ko pa nasabi yung presyo ng shoes. Magkano yung shoes? Ikaw,
Ano na yun, magpasababa natin sa
Masababa na.
11,000 lang yan.
10,000. Okay, bama na rin. So, what's on my wrist? I'm wearing Santos de Cartier.
May paano pa, may pasusunod.
Eh di Santos na lang. Okay, yun. Ano ba yung sa wrist mo?
Ano, sa akin ano lang to, Yachtmaster Oyster Flex guys,
Ay.
na rose gold. Ito damit ko, ayan, ito kakuy. Hindi,
Kakuy, ano ba kakuy, oh?
Hindi to kakuy, aruy. Ano to, this is Prada, this is available for pre-order for 80 to 90,000. Ano lang to ng Prada, tip of the iceberg lang. Tapos for the shorts, I'm wearing Essentia, so this is available for 10,500. And then for the shoes, we have the Golden Goose Ball Star.
The legendary.
10 sales in one day, so this is available for 45,000 pesos.
Ayun guys, present.